You've been practicing solos for weeks, but you're still playing the same up and down pattern. It must be super difficult for you because you only have a few minutes out of your day just to even practice. Now, if you're a busy professional with a limited time, this lesson will show you how to get better at your soloing in only a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll finally be able to break out of this old cycle and finally make your solos with more emotion. First, I'll just show you why your solos sound exactly boring, and then I'll just walk you through exact steps of how you can start making your solos better. And in case you don't know who I am, my name is Tilus. I help busy professionals learn how to play guitar, currently in college, doing business, and had a part-time job, all while learning and improving on the guitar. Now let's finally get to the video. I'll use the basic pentatonic scale. You don't need to learn more scales. All you need is two techniques that could help you sound better. Now take notes. So the first technique that I use, just one move, that's all you need to do. One move, right? Is vibratos. Now hear me out. If this is what it sounds like, just you playing an up and down pattern. This is what it just sounds like. Sounds pretty boring. You already know that whole thing, right? Sounds boring. But if you just add a vibrato, everyone's gonna listen to you and they're gonna be like, whoa, how long you been playing guitar for? Now, here's how you can start doing this vibrato today. At first, you might do your vibratos like this. It's pretty awkward, right? Because you're not used to this fast technique yet. So here's how you can do it today. Keep your thumb up here above the fretboard. Now place your fingers on the G string, all on the G string. Now once you got that, what you want to do is practice breaking out of your normal bending speed. Because right now you're just probably bending it slow like this. And that's why it doesn't sound well. So if you just practice doing it a little bit faster every single day, like for example, this is probably day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, you know? And that's basically how you could get faster at doing this. And to be honest with you, you could get this fast speed down today if you just try to go as fast as you can, right? Let's say you're doing a solo. What you want to do is end your solos off with a vibrato every single time. You could do something super simple and it still sounds good. Now the second technique that you could use is a bend. A bend is one of the most things I use all the time. And you should add this to your bag. Now, at first, your bend is gonna sound like this, right? It's gonna feel super awkward. So here's an exercise that you can use to get better every single time. Now, so for the exercise, what you wanna do is practice going towards that right pitch. For example, let's say you're on the G string. Now what you want to do is practice going towards this pitch. You don't want to go too high because it won't sound good. You just need the right pitch right here. You could do it for in any note you could do. Actually, no. The D string probably wouldn't sound as good, but the G string right here is all you need. And practice going right back down. So go up and right back to the center. So up and to the down. And that's all you need to do. And the thing is, the reason why you don't want to use your first finger, let's say if you only use your third finger, right? You only use your third finger to go up, it's gonna be so much harder, right? If you play your bends with one finger, it's gonna be so much harder. But if you use all your fingers to help you push it up, which is why you have your thumb up here, it'll make it so much easier for you. Next time you have 10 minutes after work, try this method out. Now, if you struggle to stay consistent with your guitar and you try to practice this, you will be inconsistent because you don't have a system. If you're relying on your own brain just to find a day and time, when you have such a busy lifestyle, that will go wrong because your brain, you're trying to figure out when to practice, and that's just gonna be so much stress for you. If your schedule moves around, how would you be able to practice this? And that's what the guide is for. Grab it down below in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.